Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study law after graduation. First, explore diverse legal fields to pinpoint your interests, like corporate or criminal law. Next, familiarize yourself with the detailed law school application process. A crucial step is to start preparing for the LSAT well in advance. Many successful applicants dedicate 3 to 6 months to rigorous study, aiming for a score above 160 to enhance their chances at top programs. Once you've prepared for the LSAT, focus on your applications. Your personal statement should highlight unique motivations, and strong recommendations are vital. Apply to diverse law schools, considering location and specialization. During your 3 years of law school, actively seek internships or clerkships. These practical experiences, alongside activities like moot court or law review, are invaluable for developing real-world legal skills and building your professional network. After graduating from law school, the next major hurdle is the bar exam. Enroll in a dedicated bar review course, typically lasting 8 to 10 weeks. Develop a strict study schedule, dedicating 8 to 10 hours daily, 6 days a week, to cover the vast material. Consistent practice with multiple-choice questions and essay writing is key. Focus on mastering fundamental legal principles, as the exam tests your ability to apply these rules to various scenarios. Passing the bar exam opens the door to your legal career. Actively network with attorneys and attend legal events to discover opportunities. Customize your resume and cover letters for each job application, highlighting relevant skills. Prepare extensively for interviews by researching the firm or organization and understanding the role's demands. Remember, the legal field is dynamic. Continuous learning through professional development courses, often requiring 20 to 30 hours annually, is essential for specialization and career advancement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.